Good morning, my dear students. I, Asmita Wagila, welcome you to the new session for computer subject. In this session, we will start chapter number 2, Working in Windows 10. In this session, we will learn about operating system, functions of an operating system, history of Windows and Windows 10. So, let's start.
Subject Computer Standard 6 Chapter 2 Working in Windows 10 Session 1. Let's understand operating system OS. Operating system is the most basic software that is installed in a computer system. We cannot interact with hardware devices without an operating system. The purpose of the operating system is to provide an environment in which a user can execute programs and use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. Let us learn a little more about an operating system. Students, let's understand about functions of an operating system. An operating system acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. This is the actual definition of an operating system. It manages all the software and hardware of the computer. The important functions of an operating system are: first, resource allocator. A computer system has many resources such as CPU time, memory space, file storage space, input output devices, and so on. The operating system acts as a manager of these resources and allocates them to specific programs and users as necessary. Next function of an operating system is program execution. The operating system is responsible for executing various programs, whether user or system programs. Next, main memory management. For a program to be executed, it has to be loaded in main memory. Operating system keeps track of memory usage, decides which processes are to be loaded into main memory. When space is available, allocates and deallocates memory space as needed. Students, let's see file management and secondary storage management. Operating system looks into various aspects like creation and deletion of files and folders, free space management, storage allocation, disk scheduling, and so on. Next is input-output management. Every process may require some input from user and generate some output. Operating system interacts with various device drivers to get this done. Students, the operating systems have evolved over a period of time. Initially, the operating systems were CUI, that is, Character User Interface. The user has to write a text-based commands to perform any task on a computer. Nowadays, operating systems are gradually replaced by GUI based operating systems. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. This type of operating system allows user to interact through graphical interface. Students, let's move on to history of Windows. To keep pace with the latest technology, Microsoft launches different versions of Windows OS from time to time to include additional and upgraded features. Students, the given table is of various versions of Windows operating system. In year 1985, first version launch, that is Windows 1.0. In 1987, Windows 2.0. In 1990, Windows 3.0, in 1993 Windows NT, in 1995 Windows 95, in 1998 Windows 98, in 2000 Windows 2000, again in 2000 Windows ME, in 2001 Windows XP, in 2006 Windows Vista, in 2009 Windows 7, in year 2012 Windows 8, in 2015 Windows 10, that is the updated Windows operating system. Now, students, let's know about Windows 10. Windows 10 is an operating system that Microsoft has launched for use on personal computers and tablets. It was launched in the year 2015. Microsoft has introduced several new features in Windows 10. Students, as we start our computer system, we can see the screen as shown in the given picture. Yes, that is desktop. The first screen that appears on the monitor after the Windows OS is loaded is called desktop. Now, let's see icons. We can keep folders, files, and shortcuts on the desktop so that they can be accessed easily. These are represented by small pictures on the desktop called icons. Some icons that are commonly found on Windows 10 desktop are Recycle Bin, This PC, Folders, and Shortcuts. Students, let's understand Recycle Bin icon. All deleted files and folders are stored in the Recycle Bin folder. The Recycle Bin folder is by default present on the desktop when Windows 10 is installed on a computer. Now, let's see this PC. This folder lets you access the contents stored on the hard disk or any other connected devices. Now let's move on to folders icon. You can create folders on the desktop to keep the related files together for opening them quickly. As shown in the given picture, the folder assignments is placed on the desktop. Now let's see shortcuts. We can also create shortcuts to frequently used programs on the desktop. When we double click on these icons, the associated programs or applications open. Students, what is wallpaper? Yes, wallpaper is also called a desktop background. A wallpaper is an image displayed behind the graphical user interface when the user's desktop is visible. It is the picture, color, or pattern you see on the main OS screen after your computer has booted up. In the picture, you can see an example of a Microsoft Windows XP desktop featuring a wallpaper depicting white clouds in a blue sky over a green hill. Let's move on to the interesting part, that is, did you know? First, Microsoft Edge, a new browser introduced in Windows 10 for faster surfing. There are many new features in Microsoft Edge like Web Note button which let us write on the web pages. This PC icon was known as Computer in Windows 7.
That's all for today. Students, I hope you must have enjoyed this session and understood it well. Students, in the next session, we will learn more about Windows 10.
All my dear champs, I request you all to take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, stay lives. Thank you.